bagay, kumanta sila nakatalaga. So, they're searching for some happiness to fill their empty eyes. Everyone needs a witness, go and stand up unashamed. Who will dare to make the difference? Who will go in Jesus' name? In Jesus' name, I am called to make a difference in a world that needs to change. I am called to be a spokesman for the name above all names. For the cross of Christ, or to make thee all my life, I will give my more than just, and I will live. Yeah, I will make a difference.
Tapos, for all next ha.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I am not my own. I belong to Jesus Christ. And now He calls me to surrender all I have. And now He calls me gently. And now He calls.
Pero yung yes naman babae doon daw din.
Hindi. Kasama na tayo.
Kasama babae lang.
Sabay-sabay ka lang niya.
Kasama. Yung yes tapos si calls sabay-sabay lang.
Oo. Parang naka-adlibs tayo sa tayo siya. Pero kasama pa rin tayo sa and now He calls, yes He calls me gently to surrender all I am, to go and make the difference, to take a loving stand, a loving stand. I'm called to make a difference in a world that needs to change. I'm called to be a spokesman for the name above all names. Oh, to bear the cross of Christ, oh, to give Him all my life. I will give my word a chance, and I will make. I will make the
Ulitin pang everybody. Ang lahat sagutan.
Mga babae, ano lang, ilang yung pagkapos, dalawa lang sila.
Kaya nga eh.
Si Gerald.